Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Polygon MATIC continues to remain in this current scenario. Nothing has changed. Again, here as well, we have to primarily still expect actually lower prices. But what I do at the moment, I'm sketching you out a possible bullish scenario, which we can make work. It is a little bit tricky because of this strong retracement in this wave 2 here to the downside compared to that 1-2 setup, but it's possible. Based on that, we would have to hold this wave 2 low at 41.8 cents. Even more important than that, well, no, we have to hold that. That's the key. 41.8 cents need to hold. I think if we go below that level, it will mean that we are going to make a lower low compared even lower than 31.5 cents, which was the low here from the 19th of June. So I'm continue to be focused a little bit on the upside here. Primary scenario, very clearly has to be still to make a lower low until we go finally above this 66 cent level. That is an important one. That's the previous wave 4 high. A move above that level would invalidate a lot of the bearish scenarios. So if we move above that level, we can become more bullish. Until then, all we can do is to sketch out a possible bullish pattern here and how a breakout could look like. So what would need to happen for a substantial breakout? So 1-2, 1-2, we need to hold this second wave low, which is 42 cents pretty much. We could now be in the wave 3 in yellow, which will be somewhere up here. Target for that is 92 cents. And I told you yesterday, if this is a wave 3, we need to start going now, and we haven't done it yet, which is not a good sign. But the key important thing is here to go above this resistance level, because this is also where the 50-day moving average is currently located at 55 cents. A move above that level would be bullish. For now, I remain skeptical if we get through this level, and I'm remaining focused on further downside, because also here we have a lot of overlaps. Again, doesn't look too bullish for now. This could very easily just be a corrective wave to the upside that we will, from where we will then see another lower low. But this area remains key between 54 and 55.5 cents. When we get above that level, next target would be here the 61 cent level. That is the 78.6% FIB level. And then above that, we've got the 66 cent level, the wave E high and the wave 4 high. And a move above that would then probably take us here to the 92 cent level, the wave 3 high. Crucial here in the bullish scenario is, as I said, to hold the 42 cent level. If that falls, we can move down still theoretically all the way down to 39.5 cents. But let's be honest, if that level falls here at 42 cents or 41.5 cents, then probably we are also going to make a lower low here compared to 39.5 cents. So go even below that. And if we do that, then we are probably going to make a lower low overall, go below 31 cents. And below that low, really, it just needs to be a little bit lower, and it would then already be sufficient to be a last wave to the downside. Currently, what we can see here on the bullish wave pattern is that MATIC was actually one of the strongest ones of the cryptos that I cover. Moved up basically 100% from the low here to the high, and we are basically in a range between the 88.7% FIB level at 31 cents and the 78.6 at pretty much 60 to 61 cents. So this is really where we need to get above. Showed you in the last video here this ascending trend line. What I could imagine will happen is that we will pull back to the trend line. A pullback to a trend line could be used as a trade setup. No financial advice, but it could be. With a target again here around the 53 to 54 cent level. Overall, as I said, primary expectation still has to remain that we're making another lower low, based on the view that we haven't made a higher high here. So we are technically still in a downtrend. We're below the 50-day moving average, which is bearish, and therefore we have to remain focused further on the downside. But this is certainly a pattern that could work. I told you what needs to happen for that. First of all, a break above 54 point, basically 55 cents here, this red range. and then above the 66 cent level, and then we can get to 92. Okay, and that is my view here about Polygon MATIC. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.